Wonderful. So, Ritika, topic of the day is future, dear. Start with it. Okay. So, Ritika, I have two topics. Okay. So please tell me if you would like to speak about any one topic. First one is tricky situations often have simple situations. So, often have simple solutions, or children should be allowed mobile to the school. Which one would you like to speak about?
Ma'am, I don't know. You can choose anyone.
Okay. Can you talk about if children should be allowed or should not be allowed mobile to the school?
Yes, ma'am, I can talk about it.
Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Ma'am, what do I have to do?
You have to speak few lines on this. Can you speak?
Ma'am, I have never done this before.
Okay, let's start with the questions then, okay? So, okay, now our topic is future, okay? So you have to think and tell me what will cities be like 50 years from now?
50 years from now.
That's like way too in future. How will they be like?
There will be no cars or auto because
Okay.
Because 50 years there is bullet car.
Mm-hmm.
And the people used to sit on horse.
Right. But what, like, so in future you're saying they'll repeat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, think about these changes and tell me how will this change or have effect transportation, crime, buildings, shopping.
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
Sure. Now you have to think about few changes like transportation, crime, buildings, shopping. Which one would you like to talk about? You can pick any one and just let me know how will that change.
Ma'am, the first one.
Okay, so transportation.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me how will it change?
There is right now there are cars, car, scooty, and auto. But in the future, but there was no car at that time, or no car, auto, scooty, or then nothing was there. Only bullet car, horse, and other things.
Right. But how will it change in the future? In future, what will you see on the roads? Will you see the same thing like horse cart, bullock cart, or you might see robotic cars? What will you see in the future?
No, ma'am, I will not see that. I will not see that bullet.
Then what will you see?
Right now, I will not see any bullet car or bicycle.
So what will you see? You will not see any bullock cart. You will not see any horse cart or probably even camel cart. So what exactly will you see on the roads?
Car.
What kind of cars? Will they be the same cars that we see now, or it would be more modified and more advanced version? Tell me. No, the cars that we see on the roads right now, you know the cars that we see, right? You know?
Yes, I know.
So in future, after 50 years, what do you think the cars will look like? Will they be robotic? Will they be advanced version? Or like you're just sleeping in the car and the car is driving on its own, which is again a robotic car. So what kind of cars you can imagine that you think will be there on the road?
The first car, ma'am, which you said, I don't remember the name. But
Robotic cars.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in future, if we are able to add or insert machines to our body to improve it, what will happen?
We will be just like robots.
We will be like robots. Okay. Okay. Agreed with that. Let's see the next one. Will this be helpful for the humans? Why or why not, and how?
No, ma'am, it will not be if we are robots, because it may cause them trouble.
Okay, so it won't be helpful for the humans.
Yes, it will not be helpful for the humans.
So if anyone asks you in the future to insert some part to your body, what kind of machine would you want to add to your body and why?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Sure. If someone asks you if you would like to add a machine in your body, what kind of machine would you like to add in your body?
It can be any cleaning the house or flying too.
Okay. Okay.
There's that machine is just like a watch.
Okay. Okay.
And it has buttons, and you can choose any superheroes which you like.
Right. I got it now. So now, would you want to, no, sorry. Okay. Now I'm going to start with few words. Okay. So you have to tell me the meaning of it, or you can try to make sentences. So first word is identical.
Identical.
Identical. What do you understand by that word?
Identical.
Identical means when you are same, when you look same, when there is no difference at all. Okay?
When you look same and you have no difference, nothing is different, even your clothes are not different.
That's right. So that's identical. Next is futuristic. Futuristic.
Futuristic. Futuristic means
something related to future. That is futuristic. Right? Something which is related to future, that is futuristic.
Futuristic. Futuristic.
Yes, that's right. So the next word is digital.
Ma'am, digital.
Sorry?
The word is
digital.
Digital means.
So the digital is when something is electronically related. Some kind of electronic technology, that is digital. Clear? Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Reality.
Reality. Same.
Something very, very real, something that actually exists. Something that actually exists, that is reality. Right?
Yes.
Fantasy.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Fantasy.
Fantasy.
So fantasy is the product of imagination. When you imagine something, when you fantasize something, but that is not there actually. That is not there in real. Okay? Next is past.
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 Past. Past means which has
gone, which is gone. That is past. Okay. Next is eons.
Eons.
Hundreds, a very, very long period of time. It's like kind of more than 100 years. Okay. Kind of a very, very long period of time is eons. Next is, that's right. Next is transform.
Transpond.
Transform means change. Changing something, changing tremendously. That is transform. Okay. Next is drastically.
Ma'am, what?
Drastically.
Drastically.
That is extremely.
Extremely.
So anything which is extreme, which happens extreme, that is drastically. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is hindsight.
Hindis.
Not Hindi. Hindsight.
Side.
Correct.
It means
So hindsight is understanding of a situation only after it has happened.
only after when it has happened.
That's right. Hindsight is understanding of a situation only after
when it's happened.
it has happened, right? Next is eventual. Eventual. Which occurs at the end, that is eventual.
Which occurs and ends is
Which occurs at the end, that is eventual. Next is contingency. Why don't you go and have a glass of water?
No, I don't need it.
Contingency.
Continually.
Possible event or result. That is possible event or result is contingency. That's right. So, can you try making sentence from it?
From the
contingency.
Ma'am, I don't know how to make sentence. Can you repeat that? What you said?
Contingency. So that's contingency, which is possible event or result. Okay. Now give me, okay, let me give you feedback now. So Ritika, is your mother or father is around?
Ma'am, my father is busy right now and my mother has went out.
has gone out. Okay. She's gone out. That's okay. I'll tell you then. So, Ritika, I would say you will have to read as many as books that you can.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The reason is then only you will be able to learn new words. Okay. And when I was asking you, you were able to give me very, very small answers. But as you're a child right now, so try to read as many as books so that next time when you have a session, you can give better answers, and it will also help in increasing your words, your vocabulary. You would know them, and then you look for the meaning, and this is how you will improve.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else you would like me to help you with?
No, ma'am. What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Nandini.
It's a very nice name.
Thank you so much, Ritika.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Take care.